How to reply to Craigslist emails. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video, I'll show you how you can reply to Craigslist emails. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to reply to Craigslist emails, you have to understand how you post your ads in the first place. For example, let's say that this is a random ad and that this is your ad, right? And when viewers who view this ad want to reply to you, all they had to do was to simply click on the reply option on the top left hand side of the screen. And then over here, they would need to simply verify a specific captcha. So let me also go ahead and click on the reply button and then verify the captcha, and it will show you all the emails of this specific account. So as you can see, it asked me to verify this captcha. So I will also just go ahead and then do that respectively as well. Now, once you verify the captcha, right over here on the top left, again, you'll find the option called show email. When viewers click on the show email button, they'll be able to see your email right over here. And if they wanted to reply to it, they just go to the Gmail section and then they just send an email to you. So how do you reply to Craigslist emails? Well, in order to reply to Craigslist emails, all you have to do is just go ahead and then open up your mailbox. So once you open up your mailbox, you'll most likely find the Craigslist section over here, or you can go to the all inboxes section. You try to also check in the promotions and social, and sometimes it could also have been sent to the spam folder, or in short, you can go to the all mail folder in order to find the reply and the email from Craigslist. So assuming that this is one of the Craigslist email, all you can do is just click on the reply option from the bottom in order to reply to that specific email. That's simply how replying on Craigslist emails work. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.